Welcome to my channel Stikas. Today I will be showing you how to get Microsoft Office for free, and most important thing is it's a update version and it's eligible for Windows 10, 8.1, 8 and 7 also. I'm hopeful that this tutorial will be useful for you. Okay, let's begin the main part of the tutorial. At first, check your operating system. Is it 64-bit or 32-bit? Just go to this PC and go to Properties. Okay, here it is, 64-bit operating system. Okay. Now just go to this link here. You have to go this link which I provided in the description section, so don't worry, we'll get this link for downloading Microsoft Office. So here it is. Here we will get other software related software related download link, whatever, just ignore it. Now if your operating system is 32-bit, then you have to download it, and if your operating system is 64-bit, you have to download this link. Okay, now just click the right button of your mouse and go to download and download as a zip. Okay, here it is, Microsoft Office 2016 for 64-bit. It is going to downloading. After downloading, you will get this file. There it is. You have to extract this file. Now just click on this file. Click on setup.exe file. Now click on Now you have to select Microsoft Office Professional Plus 2016. Remember, it is important. Now click on Continue button. Check. I accept the terms of this agreement. Continue. Now install. But before installing, maybe you have to disable your antivirus, otherwise you can face error. Whatever, just click on here, install now. I have already installed this Microsoft Office, so I'm not going to do that anymore. Okay. Now it's time to check is it working or not. Just here I have opened already Microsoft Office 2016 that is complete version. Here it is. So it's time to say goodbye. This is Anushomik and I'm signing out. Have a good day.